Why are factory-made cakes so soft and spongy, like a sponge? What ingredients are added to make them that way? Let's uncover the production process of this sponge cake factory. First, workers bring in some fresh eggs. Crack them open and pour them into a stainless steel bowl. Next, the workers separate the egg yolks, placing them aside for later use. They sift the cake flour, the fine texture helping the cake achieve a lighter, softer feel. Once all the ingredients are prepared, the egg whites are poured into a mixer and beaten. Then, granulated sugar is added and mixed at medium speed until it forms a white, creamy paste. After testing the foam to ensure it's up to standard, add the egg yolks and oil, mix at low speed until evenly combined. Then add the sifted cake flour. Stir again until fully blended, forming a light yellow creamy texture. Pour the mixture into a square mold lined with baking paper. Use a silicone spatula to smooth the cake batter. Place it into the preheated oven and bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Once baked, remove from the mold, peel off the baking paper from the top, and cut it into appropriate sizes according to production requirements. One by one, soft and spongy, elastic sponge cakes are ready.